I am on a secret mission to begin painting the music studio. Okay, I'll stop making it creepy. I guess I can turn this off now. As you can tell, I kind of jumped the gun on the carpet because yes, we will be painting this. I also jumped the gun on putting the panels. We gotta move those. These lovely burlap acoustic panels. You can't beat homemade. Look at these things. You couldn't buy them from me if you tried. Cheers. At this very moment, Catherine is wanting to paint our formal dining room, so I'm kind of rushing just a little bit. Also enjoying a beer. Okay, Google, what time is it? Okay, Google. Normally it tells me that. I guess it's because I'm recording. I have the majority of the wall finished. I told Catherine I would be back in by 9 p.m. so I could return the roller so she could continue painting the dining room. I feel that it's a little bit after 9 p.m. I'm gonna take a sip of beer and then I'm gonna head inside. Shall venture into the darkness.
What the hell is this?
You ready to start painting? Back in this corner of the studio, I don't want to call it a shed. I feel like that's an understatement. I'm not selling this short. This is a freaking mansion as far as I'm concerned. Regardless, that's going to be the arts and crafts area. It's a very creative space, you dig? More beer, more paint. By God, we're going to make music at some point. Stay with me. Time to rest my wrist. Make a little break. Yes. This is kind of nice hanging out in my own space, drinking beer, channeling my inner Bob Ross. There's no happy clouds, but soon happy music will be made in this space. Let me tell you some things. I have a secret project that is brewing and stewing in my magnificent mind. I'm so stinking pumped for it. There's so many things that I'm going to do with it, and oh, it's going to be awesome. So just know that you are in for a treat. I promise you, it will be so worth it. It's so much more than just music. Good things come to those that wait. And this is when we wait for the paint to dry. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be sweet.
want you out to that blue line.